Today we have a video from Red Zone Watch, and the title of the video is Charges Dropped Against Pastors Who Protested Black History Matters Mural Removal. Okay.
Two religious men are obstructing the road, creating a disturbance for vehicles attempting to pass. The blockage has caused traffic disruptions, and this situation fully represents the entire incident.
Hello, gentlemen. I'm Sergeant Carrianis with the St. Pete Police. Hello, sir. Sir. Real quick, I just want to explain a couple things to you. We're here just for traffic control for FDOT to do their thing.
We understand you're enabling fascism and white supremacy.
Okay. Well, I'm just going to kindly ask that you guys just kind of take your protest and whatever you're doing just onto the public
follow
side.
Will not let me move.
I'll just pray till my prayers are answered, but I appreciate you.
Okay.
I know you have a job to do.
I understand where you guys are coming from, but we are going to have you guys move on to the sidewalk.
Will not move.
As soon as my prayers are answered. But I appreciate you coming out and talk to us.
Okay.
Black people bled on these streets. I am not going to move.
The gentleman explained to you that it's a state operation, that we're here just to block the road. You guys understand?
You are here to enable fascism. I understand that, yes.
I asked you guys, please just go on the sidewalks and don't get hit by one of these cars. All we care about is your safety.
I understand that. I will not move. I follow Jesus, and he will not let me move. This is where I am called to be. It's my religious obligation.
Please just go on the sidewalk.
As soon as my prayers are answered,
You can call the chief.
I've
He
asked
knows.
the truck to stop backing up so we don't run you over. I do not want those cars to run you over, okay? So I'm trying to get them to just stop for a minute.
Okay, we are not moving. So that's our position.
Do you guys have identification?
I do not have to give you identification.
Well,
Chief knows who I am.
okay, well, I'm not familiar with you, sir. I apologize. Would you mind providing me with your name and date of birth? And
No.
I don't have to give you my identification.
okay, do you have a state-issued identification, sir? I'll give that back to you. Yeah. Sir, what is your first name?
I am here as part of my religious obligation.
Man, we about to, man, you got obligation your ass to act rightville, man. You better start acting right, man. I don't know what you talking about. You're blocking the road, man. Protest. I don't give a crap what you're protesting. It don't matter to me. I care less. White rights, black rights, Chinese rights, LGBTQ rights, all of that. Whatever it is that you believe in, whatever. But take your happy ass over there on the sidewalk. Don't be blocking traffic, man. Period. You can see the older gentleman. He one of them protesters that's like, I'm a protest, but I really don't want to get in trouble. So I'ma push the limit as far as I can go without trying to get really in trouble. Where the other guy is just a dickhead. You know what I'm saying? The other guy is just, he don't care. Whatever it is that he believes in, he thinks that he should just do it right in the middle of the goddamn street, no matter they should just block off the whole road for this guy until his prayers are answered. Come on, man. This is what kind of, oh man. I don't know, whatever. You know, you may disagree. Listen, I'm not here to get into it with you about what you believe in. I'm not here for that. I'm just here Stop blocking the road, man. Take your ass on the sidewalk. Simple. Act right. That's it. That's all I'm saying. Whatever rights you believe in is on. That's your business. But you shouldn't be interrupting everybody to get your point across, man.
Okay. Again, sir, I'm just trying to identify you. I understand all that.
Ask Chief Holloway to take a guess who is kneeling on this mural, and he will tell you. His first answer will be correct.
Henry.
Have them holding off for a minute.
The other patrol guys.
I got them coming over. They're gonna, if they refuse to get out of the road, they're gonna have to be physically removed from the road.
Yeah, they say they're not moving. Yeah, there you go with that. Gentlemen, one more time, I'm just going to very kindly ask that you guys move on to the sidewalk. Sorry, I cannot do that. Again, please. Cannot do that. Okay. If you refuse to move, we will have to move you onto the sidewalk.
We all have to do what we have to do. I will be able to sleep tonight. You will have to live with that for the rest of your life.
Okay, sir. All right.
I'm going to give you one more opportunity. Can you please just go up on the sidewalk for everyone's safety so no one gets hit by a car? You are blocking the right of way. That's all I'm asking.
And you are blocking justice.
I'm not blocking anything. I'm here to provide safety for it.
You are blocking justice.
I'm not blocking anything. I'm asking you one more time. Can you please go on the sidewalk? That's all I'm asking.
Deliver us from evil. Stand up for me.
Come on. Come on.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
Come on.
Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us.
Lead us not into temptation.
Please
Deliver us.
Just move over to the sidewalk. We don't want to do this. Just come right over to the sidewalk.
Mother Goddess, Father God, Spirit of life, you who go by so many names and sometimes no name at all, thank you for the gift of this day. It's a beautiful day you have made for us. Thank you for this opportunity to do your work in this world.
Careful, careful, careful. I don't want him to hit his legs against this curb.
Come on, just a little further.
I don't want to hurt your leg. Come on up.
Come on.
There you go.
Sir, just be careful. We don't want your feet dragging, getting
There you
hurt.
go.
Let me get.
Lord in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
I'm going to put two on you, okay?
Thy kingdom come, thy will
If
be
you put them together like you're clapping, it'll be...
on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses. We forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation. Deliver us from evil.
Hold on. Is this guy is protesting for black? Is he for black people or against black people? Charge against pastors who protested Black History Matters mural removal. Protested against it? Black History Matters mural. I'm confused. Because if he's protesting for black people, the black people on the side watching you two crash dummies just sit out there and just do whatever. the black people, there are black people out there, and I see the Black Lives Matter shirts and stuff like that, but they on the side. They not right in the middle of the street like that. They on the side filming. Watching you crash dummies. Look at this. Look at this. Look, I'm not lying. Look at this. Let's see initially when they first pulled up. Okay, you see the black people. They on the side. They on the side. It looks like there's a little driveway here. They got some. Oh, hold on. Let me zoom in. Make it bigger. See, these black guys, they on the side behind this little truck here. It seems like they got some chairs out there. and stuff, yeah, they're not directly in the middle of the street, just sitting there and crossing their feet in the middle of the street. So I'm so confused. I'm not even gonna lie. I am confused because if he's protesting for black people, the black people on the side got you two guys out there doing whatever. And then, hold on, protested Black History Matters mural removal. Protested, charges dropped against who protested Black History Matters mural removal. So I'm confused, but whatever. Either way, if he for black people, they got you out there doing the crash dummy mission, okay? And if you're against black people, yeah, I don't know what the fuck you doing, bro. Honestly, I don't know what you got going on, man. But just take your ass on the sidewalk. That's as simple.
Come on, just a little further.
I don't want to hurt your leg. Come on.
See, so they must be for black people, because the black lady that I keep filming in their faces, she's like, why are they getting arrested? So okay, they for black people, but I'm like, I don't get it.
That would be nice.
I'm gonna put two on you, okay?
Thy kingdom come, thy will
If you
be
put
done
them together like you're clapping, it'll be
on the earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses. We forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation. Deliver us from evil. Can you put your feet up for me, okay? We're gonna ready? Great. Ready? One, two. You stand up for it, baby? It's gonna be a resistance part. It is, yeah. Take him.
Driver side.
We're gonna go right to this. Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Sent these crash dummies out on a dummy mission. Everybody else on the sidewalk.
On you, it's gonna pull up the status.
Nothing on you, okay. Do you have ID on you by chance? No. Okay. You appreciate you being cooperative. Right here? Okay, yeah, yeah.
It's unlocked.
put them in the lock. Let's make sure no one else goes in the
Hello, sir. I'm just letting you know that you're going to be issued a pedestrian violation for obstructing the roadway, and then you're being charged with obstruction.
Okay, thank you, Sergeant.
Yes, sir. Mr. Oliver. Yes, correct. Okay. Sergeant Carrianos, I'm letting you know you're going to be issued a pedestrian violation for obstructing the roadway, and then you're being charged with obstruction. Okay.
And why isn't he being charged with failure to identify?
Do you have any questions? Can you loosen my handcuffs? Yeah. Let me do this. If you can just face that way. Let me double lock them on you. Is this one fine? Actually, let me reapply them. Is that a little bit better? And this one's fine.
Is that one on the right way?
They're on the right way. Okay, it's just, yeah, that's fine. Okay, yeah, let me just make sure it's double locked. Okay. All right, any other questions? Yeah. All right.
Yeah, this was pretty much they got sent on a crash dummy mission. That's all it was. We don't got to dig too deep into it. Pretty much these guys were sent on a crash dummy mission and they fell for the bait. That's it, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.